Hi guys, this is Paul with Tweaktown. We're back here at Storage Divisions 2015. Right now we're sitting down with Jeffrey Chang from Lite-On. And I know you guys, at the last time we spoke, as a matter of fact, you were announcing your Generation 1 M.2 SSD. And here at the show you guys are announcing the next generation of that product. Can you kind of tell us a little bit about your new offering?
Yeah, this is our Generation 2 M.2 PCIe HCI based product. It's actually running on Gen 2 by 4, so it's actually 2 extra more lanes than our first generation. So the performance is theoretically twice as fast as our current generation.
And what kind of a SSD controller are you guys using on the new version?
We're using the Marvell Ultra Plus.
And the Ultra Plus is fairly new. We actually haven't seen that out in the wild yet. You guys are the first publicly showing it, actually here at the show.
Yeah, we're actually the ones that actually will be shipping, one of the first to ship the Ultra Plus.
And that's great news. Now with the Ultra Plus product, what kind of NAND are you guys using with that, and how much endurance does that provide users?
So we're going to be using the Toshiba A19 toggle NAND, and right now this drive will have 1 drive write per day performance.
So it's kind of geared for the read-centric segment, maybe mid-duty?
Yes, read-intensive segments.
And so M.2 right now is generating a lot of interest in the data center. Products aren't really here yet, but it also, offering some of the reliability features such as host power loss can be a little bit tricky with such a small SSD. Do you guys offer that?
So yeah, we've been actually working really hard, and we've integrated actually power loss protection into the M.2 and 1 terabyte of flash, and all in one very compact package.
Wow, a terabyte on that.
Yeah, it's great because we really feel that it could be really beneficial in the server environment because it's scalability, airflow, and all these features are really good for IT integrators, so they don't have to worry about a lot of the airflow issues when it comes to a system.
Lite-On is also pretty established in the client market as well with SSDs, and you guys have an announcement here today at the show about a new client-oriented SSD. Can you give us a few details on that?
Yes, this is our what we call the CV2 drives. CV2 drives are Marvell Dean controller and Toshiba TLC, and it's actually, we're the first ones to process LDPC. So in the industry right now, a lot of people are talking about LDPC, and we're going to be the first ones to process and use LDPC on with TLC.
And can you explain to some of our viewers the difference between LDPC and just traditional BCH?
So traditional BCH is depending on how much spare area you have on the NAND, you set how many correction bits that you can do, and it's really just limited. And LDPC, we have hardware correction and software correction. So with all these combined, we can, if the pattern of error is the same over and over, we can correct pretty much almost limitless errors. And NAND has a pattern of having the same pattern of error over and over again for a period of time. So if you can correct that, your endurances last much longer.
And so that can kind of boost endurance using like TLC as opposed to MLC.
That's correct.
So you can make TLC a very reliable solution.
That's right.
And also allow you to be pretty cost competitive. Do you think it's going to be real cost competitive?
Yes. We'll definitely be very cost competitive. We'll be able to really push the dollars per gigs down.
And that's good. And that's always good news for our viewers, of course, is cheaper SSDs for everyone. We appreciate your time, Jeffrey. Thanks for stopping by the booth.
Thank you.